In this video, I will show you how to change primary domain on HostGator. In order to do that, just head over right here to HostGator, and if you already have a domain name, you can just purchase it right here. However, if you already have a domain that you want to use as your new primary domain, you can click on this already own a domain, connect it here, just click on that, and then you can just find in here the domain name that you want to use. You have in here this, just click on continue. And then after you have done that, it will show if this is ready to connect. So you can just set it up later on the help center. When you scroll on right here, you can see in here the plans that actually comes with this change or the website hosting that you have just chosen. So just choose in here the plan. Just click on this choose plan option. Select a term for this and enter your username and password, or you can also sign up with Google and Facebook. So when you're done with this one, you can head over and then use this new domain that you want.